What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best glues for automotive plastic on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Berkland Polyurethane Windshield Adhesive. This polyurethane windshield adhesive offers a strong and dependable seal for automotive glass installations. Designed for long-lasting performance, it creates a solid attachment that holds firmly under different driving conditions. With its high bonding ability, this adhesive meets the required standards for secure windshield placement, ensuring safety and durability for various types of vehicles. The medium viscosity formula allows smooth application, making it suitable for both professionals and those who prefer to work on their own projects. It can be applied easily using a standard caulking gun, and its non-sag nature prevents unwanted dripping, providing better control during the process. The compound cures quickly, offering fast results while delivering lasting protection against harsh weather conditions. It is versatile enough for use on multiple automotive glass components, including windshields, side windows, rear windows, and fixed glass panels. Whether for cars, recreational vehicles, or specialty vehicles, this adhesive ensures a reliable seal for both interior and exterior applications. The kit includes essential accessories such as nitrile gloves and an application tip, ensuring a safer and cleaner process from start to finish. Ideal for repairing, replacing, or installing automotive glass. This adhesive combines strength, precision, and ease of use to achieve a professional quality finish in every project. In our list, the number 4 product name is JB Weld Plastic Bonder Body Panel Adhesive. This plastic bonder adhesive is made to create a durable and secure hold for a variety of repair tasks. Its strong bonding capability makes it suitable for working with materials such as thermoset plastics, carbon fiber composites, thermoplastics, coated metals, and concrete. Once applied, it forms a firm connection that can withstand demanding conditions, making it useful for both home and professional projects. The liquid resin formula is designed for easy handling, allowing a smooth and even application. It mixes in equal parts, ensuring consistency in strength and performance. Within a short time, it sets firmly, enabling further work like sanding or shaping to achieve the desired finish. This makes it ideal for situations where repairs need to be completed quickly without compromising on quality. It can be used in different environments, whether indoors or outdoors, as it performs well in a range of conditions. Its gap-filling ability helps in repairing uneven surfaces or sealing spaces between materials. The cured adhesive has a black finish, blending well with many surfaces and giving a neat appearance to the repair. This product is suited for a wide range of applications, including plastic restoration, composite repairs, cement patching, and structural bonding tasks. Whether fixing panels, restoring components, or joining materials together, it offers dependable results that last over time. In our list, the number 3 product name is ClenyMagi Instant Bonding Metal Glue for Plastic. This clear liquid adhesive is designed to create a strong and lasting bond for many types of repair and crafting projects. It is suitable for joining metal with different materials, including wood, plastic, epoxy resin, and rubber. The formula provides a secure hold while remaining resistant to both heat and water, making it dependable for a range of conditions and uses. The precision tip allows accurate application to the required area, ensuring the adhesive is placed exactly where it is needed without unnecessary mess. Once applied, the bond forms quickly, creating a stable connection between surfaces. The transparent finish blends seamlessly, making it ideal for repairs where appearance is important. It is packaged in a way that helps prevent leaks and drying, ensuring the adhesive remains ready for use over multiple projects. The generous amount provides enough supply for tasks such as fixing household items, restoring ceramics, working on hobby models, or repairing automotive parts. This adhesive works effectively for both indoor and outdoor applications. It is designed to perform well under different environmental conditions while maintaining a durable grip. With its non-toxic and odorless formulation, it is safer to handle while still delivering high-strength results. Whether used for daily repairs, do-it-yourself creations, or professional projects, this bonding solution offers reliability and versatility for a wide variety of materials and tasks. In our list, the number 2 product name is Akfix Fast Curing Car Window Sealant. This black liquid adhesive is designed for securing automotive glass with a firm and lasting hold. It is suitable for cars, trucks, and sport utility vehicles, creating a dependable seal for windshields, rear windows, and side glass. The moisture-curing formula reacts with atmospheric humidity, allowing it to set effectively without the need for heating tools. The application process is simple, as it can be used with a standard caulking gun for a smooth and controlled line. The non-sag composition helps keep the bead in place, reducing mess and ensuring even coverage across the surface. Once cured, the finish is sleek and can be painted to match the surrounding area, making it an excellent choice for professional repairs or personal projects. Its high initial adhesion allows the bond to hold securely from the start, while the flexibility helps absorb vibration and reduce the chance of glass shifting over time. The strong sealing properties prevent water from leaking inside and block air from entering, adding comfort and protection for the vehicle interior. This adhesive remains reliable in extreme heat or freezing temperatures, maintaining its strength through different driving conditions. Whether used for full window replacements or smaller glass attachment needs, it provides a professional-grade result with lasting performance. In our list, the number 1 product name is Fortivo Polyurethane Windshield Adhesive. This black polyurethane adhesive is designed for automotive glass bonding, providing a reliable seal for various vehicle types, including cars, trucks, and recreational vehicles. It is formulated to hold firmly in both vertical and overhead applications, making it ideal for securing windshields, side glass, and backlights. The texture is non-sagging, allowing for precise placement without creating drips, which helps achieve a cleaner finish. Its strong composition allows it to absorb vibrations and impacts, keeping the glass firmly in place and reducing the chance of cracks or displacement. The bond also prevents moisture and rain from seeping through, offering protection against leaks in different weather conditions. Whether exposed to heat during summer or cold in winter, it retains its grip and durability. The cartridge contains 310 milliliters of adhesive, which fits easily into standard caulking guns for a smooth application process. It comes with gloves and an applicator tip, ensuring a more controlled and safe use. No primer is required before application, making the process faster and more straightforward. This automotive adhesive can be used for a variety of repair or installation tasks, from replacing a windshield to securing fixed glass panels. Its quick curing nature means the bond becomes strong in a short time, allowing the vehicle to be ready for use sooner.